Yes, children, nice to see you all. I think we are discussing the third lesson. I think you have read. Okay. I think, are you all safe at home? Yes. Yeah. Now let us continue the next. Now, where are we? In the middle of the sky. What is behind us? Everywhere clouds. Where is the pilot? Surrounded in the middle of the sky with the clouds. What about his systems? All the systems stopped working. He don't know the way. He's totally in confusion. Where to go he don't know. How to go he don't know. No fuel in the tank. Now what he will do in the sky? What is the position of him? How could he rescue himself? Let us see in the next part. Okay, children? Come on. Paris control. Paris control. Paris control. Can you hear me? There was no answer. He was shouting in the microphone. Paris control. Paris control. He's calling to Paris also. He was calling to England also. That control room also. No control room was answering him. Where he has to land, he was calling them also. Where he started, he was calling them also. Nobody is responding. He is alone in the flight. No proper fuel. All systems stopped working. If you were in that position, how do you feel? We feel tensed, isn't it? I'll call God only. I don't know whom you will call, but I will call God. Please save me. Please save me. I'll shout. Okay. Now what he will do? Let us see. Paris control. Paris control. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? There was no answer. The radio was dead too. I had no radio, no compass, and I could not see where I was. I was lost in the storm. Then, in the black clouds quite near me, I saw another aeroplane. It had no lights on its wings, but it could see it flying next to me through the storm. So, there was no flight. When he was shouting, he was calling the people, nobody responded. Then suddenly, what happened? There was another flight going to him. See here, I could not see where I was. I was lost in the storm. Then in the black clouds quite near me, I saw another aeroplane. It had no lights on its wings, but I could see it flying next to me through the storm. So it is flying next to the storm. I could see the pilot's face turn towards me. He's seeing the flight from the window. The pilot's face he could see, and that pilot's face is seen. He's seeing pilot's face, and that pilot is also seeing this person only. Turn towards me. I was very glad to see another person. Yeah. Then he felt, oh my God, someone is there. Now I thought I am alone. No fuel. All systems stopped working. Now another flight is going on. Okay. Hamaya, God saved me. He felt. And that pilot is also looking at this person only. He lifted one hand and waved. Follow me, he was saying. Follow me. Then that pilot, he lifted one hand and said, follow me, follow me. He knows that I am lost, I thought. He is trying to help me. Then he felt that I think this person knows that I am lost, so he is trying to help me. He felt. Next, he turned his aeroplane slowly to the north in front of my Dakota so that it would be easier for me to follow him. I was very happy to go behind the strange aeroplane like an obedient child. Then he said that I think that the other pilot knows that I think that other pilot knows that I am in danger position. I missed my way. I lost my way. So he asked me to follow me. By seeing my situation, my flight's condition, moving up and down, my flight was moving up and down. I think by seeing that, he understood that I am in a dangerous position. So he asked me to follow. And that plane, he started following like a obedient child. And that plane went to which side now? Which side did it go? To the north side. He went, that front plane was going to the north side. The first plane was going to the north side. With that first plane, this fellow also followed. Next, after an half an hour, the strange black aeroplane was still there in front of me in the clouds. Up to half an hour, the aeroplane was in the clouds. Okay, up to half an hour, the aeroplane was in the clouds. Now there was only enough fuel in that old Dakota's last tank to fly for 5 or 10 minutes more. Now there was only enough enough fuel. Enough fuel means only for 5 to 10 minutes journey only the fuel was left over. Only the fuel, how much fuel was left over in the flight? Only to journey up to 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, that much only he can do journey. More than that he can't do. That much fuel only is there. I was starting to feel frightened again. But then he started to go down and I followed through the storm. Arey Bapre, there is only few fuel. What should I do now? How can I go? I'm going on going. I'm following him. What should I do now? He felt. Then suddenly that flight, the first flight, went downwards, started going downwards. Then he also followed with him. Next, suddenly I came out of the clouds and saw two long straight lines of lights in front of me. It was a runway, an airport. As he found the flight going down, he also followed him. He also went down. While he's going down, suddenly he found a runway. Runway means where the aeroplanes go. They go to some extent and then they take off. They go fly up. Okay. So from the airport, the runway will be very long, very lengthy. Okay. So suddenly, as he was going, that flight disappeared and his flight went away onto the runway. And on the runway he found all lights. You see, on highway roads you will have some radium lights. If you travel in the midnight or night time, on the highway roads you find lights, sights. Okay, like that runway also will have lights. So all the lights were shining. Then it was what? Airport. Runway, when runway comes, it is airport only. So I was safe. I turned to look for my friend in the black aeroplane, but the sky was empty. He thought to see, he was searching, I am on the runway now, I am going to reach the airport now. Then what about the other flight? I am not seeing, where is it? Where is it? He searched here and there, but there was no flight. But the sky was empty. There was nothing there. The black aeroplane was gone. I could not see it anywhere. I landed and was not sorry to walk away from the old Dakota near the control tower. He landed now. As soon as he landed, actually, what they do, they go to their restroom and they'll go away to their journey. They sign something and they go away. But this fellow, what did he do? He went straight to the control room. Okay, I landed and was not sorry to walk away from the old Dakota near the control tower. I went and asked a woman in the control center where I was and who the other pilot was. He went and asked in the control room, Madam, excuse me, who is that pilot, other pilot? And then that lady said, no, I wanted to say thank you. She looked at me very strangely and then laughed. Another aeroplane? Up there in the storm? No. No other aeroplanes were flying tonight. Yours was the only one I could see on the radar. The lady said, no, there is no another plane. According to the timings, only your plane was there on the radar. No, we can't. We don't have any other planes except your plane. We don't have any other planes. So, who helped me to arrive there safely without a compass or a radio? And without any more fuel in my tanks? Who was the pilot on the strange black aeroplane flying in the storm? Without lights. He got it out. What are you saying, madam? Yes, sir. There was no aeroplane. Only your aeroplane is there. So, no aeroplane was there. Then he got it out. Who was that person in the flight? Who waved me the hand? And there was no radar. No systems were working. There was very less fuel. But also someone, because of him only I came down. Otherwise, what would have been about me in the sky? But who is that person? It was a miracle. Without lights, without systems working, without fuel, how could I reach on the land in such a nice position? I am safe. But madam is saying no flights are there. What happened to me? Who came to save me? Is it a miracle? Is it a God? Or I was in a subconscious mind? What happened to me? What is going on? He felt shocked, puzzled. Okay, I think you understood part 2 also, children. Grammar I am going to explain in the Google Meet. Okay, children, with this I'll end my video, and in the next video I will show you the movie of these two and I'll give you the meanings of the hard words. You can watch in the next video. Okay, children, bye.